Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your favorite moisturizer in 3 different ways. The moisturizer that I'm currently using and loving is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. It's so affordable and it's so good, guys. Like, me and my mom use it, like, I don't know, we use it 5 times in a day. And actually the first way that I like using it is as my day and night moisturizer. This is just a simple moisturizer that just goes for everyone, and I like to use it in the day and in the night. And I'm sorry for the mess behind me. The second way in which I like using this moisturizer is as my primer under my makeup, and because this is so hydrating, and you guys know that my skin is very dehydrated, I love this. Like, even if I'm just putting on like a little bit of concealer and blush, I need this moisturizer on my skin. And even now, you guys will see when I apply my foundation, the foundation goes on so smoothly. There are no lines from the brush, and there is like no patchiness, no lines, nothing. It's just a very seamless finish, and I love the glow that it gives me. I love it. I have been using it every day since I got my hands on it. The third way, and my favorite way of using this moisturizer, is by mixing it in with my foundation. So whenever I don't want to do like a full-on foundation concealer routine, I just like to do this. I mix my moisturizer with my foundation, and I like to just go out of the house with just this on my face and a little bit of blush. I love it. Like, it is so quick and it is so easy to do. Wherever I need extra coverage, I just go on with a second layer. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this very short quick video. The link to buy the Pond's moisturizer is in my description, so don't forget to check it out, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.